How to change your native language in HelloTalk. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your native language in HelloTalk. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your HelloTalk application. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of HelloTalk. Now after you do that, what you can simply do is tap on your profile where there is edit section as well. After tapping on your profile, you will see the very option of language here and many other options. Now where you need to tap on your language option from here. So it is your native language is Nepali here, and you teach language you can also choose that, and you learn language also you can choose that. So you can just tap on your native language from here, Nepali, and also go back and tap on the no thanks option. And when you choose the native language too, except of Nepali, you can choose teach 1 and teach 2 are also native languages. So you can select other native languages, whereas you want to delete the native language you already have, then you should log out to your account, and while logging in you should log into your new account and change your native language. Because if you want other native languages as well, you can simply tap by teach 1 and teach 2 and choose your native languages. But to delete your previous native languages, you should create a new account. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.